Opening a multi-currency business account in Dubai is a smart move for any business owner who deals with international clients, suppliers, or partners. It allows you to hold, send, and receive payments in different currencies, which helps you manage exchange rate risk, save on conversion fee, and improve your cash flow. In this video, I'll explain how to open a multi-currency bank account in Dubai, what documents you need, and how to choose the right bank for your business. Before we start, my name is Shiraz Vahid, and I've helped hundreds of business owners and their families move to Dubai, set up their companies, immigration, and banking, and legally reduce their taxes. If you want my help in doing the same, you can book a strategy call with me at setuphero.com/call. Opening a multi-currency business account in Dubai starts with choosing the right bank. Not all banks offer multi-currency accounts to small and medium-sized businesses, so you will need to do some research to find the one that suits you. For example, Emirates NBT is one of the most popular banks in Dubai, and they offer a variety of multi-currency accounts. They provide dedicated relationship managers who understand the needs of international businesses. Their digital banking services are excellent and allowing you to manage different currency accounts under one platform, transfer funds, and convert the currencies easily. Mashreq Bank is another top choice for multi-currency business accounts. They're known for quick onboarding process and competitive fee. Mashreq Bank's multi-currency accounts allow you to receive payments in different currencies without immediate conversions, helping you protect your profits and exchange rate fluctuation. Their online banking platform is user-friendly and allows you to manage your funds efficiently from anywhere in the world. FAB Bank, or the First Abu Dhabi Bank, is Dubai's one of largest banks and offers multi-currency accounts designed for international businesses. They provide trade finance services, foreign exchange solutions, and dedicated relationship manager who can help you navigate Dubai's banking requirements. FAB's extensive global network can be a valuable asset for businesses looking to expand internationally. ViewBank is another excellent option for multi-currency business accounts. They cater to international businesses with digital-first banking, making it easy to manage multiple currencies through a single online platform. View services are designed for modern business needs and includes fast onboarding, dedicated support, and competitive fee. This makes it a great option for SMEs and entrepreneurs looking to simplify their banking in Dubai. ADCB is a solid choice for small and medium-sized businesses that need multi-currency support. They offer competitive exchange rates and dedicated relationship managers who understand the unique needs of businesses who are trading globally. ADCB's digital banking platform allows you to monitor currency balances, make payments, and receive payments with ease. Now, to open a multi-currency business bank account in Dubai, you will need several key documents. These usually include your trade license, incorporation documents, passport copies of all the shareholders, and proof of residency. Some banks may also ask for business plan, details of your business activities, source of funds, and financial projections. Having these documents ready will speed up the application process and increase your chances of approval. Minimum balance requirements vary from bank to bank. Typically, you will need to maintain a minimum balance of between 25,000 dirhams to 100,000 dirhams, depending on the type of account and the bank's policy. It's important to ask your relationship manager about these requirements and any other potential fee for falling below the minimum balance. Understanding these fees can help you manage your cash flow more effectively. Digital banking is essential for managing a multi-currency account in Dubai, and most bank offers mobile apps and online platforms that allow you to monitor your balance, make payments, and convert currencies anytime. Emirates NBD, Mashreq Bank, and FAB have some of the best digital banking platforms in Dubai, making it easier for you to run your business even when you're traveling. Customer service is another critical factor. A dedicated relationship manager who understands your business can be a huge asset. They can guide you through the application process, help you choose the right account structure, and provide ongoing support. Dubai's banking system is generally efficient, but it's important to be prepared for compliance requirements. Banks may ask for proof of the source of funds, tax residency certificates, or detailed financial information to meet the anti-money laundering requirements. Being transparent and organized with your documents helps you avoid delays and ensure a smooth account opening process. If you're coming from countries like the UK, Canada, or Australia, Dubai's tax-free environment can be a big advantage. Unlike many countries that have strict residency tie rules and high taxes on worldwide income, Dubai offers no personal income tax and no capital gains tax. This makes it an attractive place to set up your business and manage your finances. However, it's important to get proper advice on exiting your home country tax system and avoid unexpected bills. So if you want my help in choosing the right bank, setting up your Dubai company, getting the residency, and managing your tax obligations, you can book a strategy call with me at setuphero.com/call. And if you're serious about using Dubai for your business, you should really check out my next video right here.